What's up, y'all? Back from Hilla Rosa Mud Nationals. This is what the fucking RZR looks like. It looks like everything's gonna fall off pretty easy. I mean, I can slam my door and most of this shit falls off, but it's all that's gonna be like, I don't care what you put on your RZR, it is not gonna help with that. So I'm gonna get a bucket and I'm just gonna start grabbing this shit and throwing it in the bucket and taking it to the backyard. I mean, it's shit, the chunks come off easy, man. They're not like sticking to it. So that mud repellent, it did its job. I mean, it rained all day Friday, so whatever mud it did have, and then it washed it off, and then it got muddy again. I see this is a little more stuck up here. So I'm going to say that Advanced Kotings mud repellent did the job, man. Shit's so cool, man. Look at it, it just fucking comes right off. Still got like oily residue on it and everything. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this mud, guys, but I'm filling the back of my truck up to dump it somewhere legally. All right, then we got all, oh shit. Woo. Right off, boy. Thought that Advanced Kotings was playing around, huh? Ryobi's fucking around. Work, bitch. Should have sprayed the shots too. So I'm pretty happy with how everything's coming off. For as much mud as it had and as much rain as we got, it's coming off really easy. It's like the degreaser. Yeah, we're just gonna do the outside for now. Make it look presentable. Go back a little bit. Don't hit the snorkel. Or the amp. Get the floorboard.
Put it back into it.
At them 14s. clean. Oh man, I missed a spot. Oh shit. I just gotta let it dry off and shine it. Nah, I ain't even gonna shine it. It's going to the shop, guys. Might be saying